Hi guys, Darren Hayes here from Darren On Demand. Just a bit of a product review actually, or really just product delivery. Even though we're here in sunny Spain, not currently sunny, it's actually raining outside, but no matter. I've had 2 deliveries today of 2 new products that I will be doing a full review on. I've actually imported these from China just to see what they're actually like, and the first is this bad boy. What is it, you may ask? Well, I can't actually do it with my phone because I'm actually recording on my phone, but this itself, you actually put your phone into there and it locks, and then here is the handle. So if you can be videoing this way, or you can swing it around and actually video towards myself. On the top here you will actually see there's a couple of screw holes there, and also here for hot shoe mounts. So the second delivery that I had, let me just put this down. Second delivery I had was actually a new microphone. This can be used with my mobile phone and can also be put onto my new camera, which is the Canon M50 when it arrives. Hopefully I should get that in the next few days. It's just past customs in Madrid, so hopefully within the next couple of days I will actually have that. So with the hot shoe, it actually allows me to let me just untie this. So it lets me mount this onto the top there, and then the actual lead goes into the phone itself, and then I have an external mic with the protection from the wind, with this little dead cat that they call it. The other thing I can actually do is, you can see this handle here, I can take this off here, so I have the handle here, and I can screw the handle like so, and it allows me to film this way. So if I want to turn it around and film myself, I can do, holding it like so, or turn it like that and be filming. So really, so that you're not holding your actual phone and getting your fingers in the lens, this allows you to maneuver in many different ways to actually record. There's also this bit here, another hot shoe, which you can put an external flash on or something else. You can have your microphone, and also, like, what else I have in here is an additional video light, so I can actually clamp that in. So I have my light to give extra light if I'm filming in the dark, and obviously that, and then plug in my phone there, which perfect. So they're the 2 items that I have. The other good thing about this is that if you want to, rather than filming in landscape, if you wanted to film in portrait for either TikTok or Instagram, then all you do, you turn it over, mount it this way, and then just tighten it up to how you want, and then there you have. There's the mount. Put the phone in there. That can be moved to however far you actually want it. Put your phone in, lock it in place with the little, you can see there, the little bit at the back there, that tightens it up, so that means you can't actually be moved, which is absolutely perfect for then. And this pretty much fits any type of phone. So yeah. So again, I would say that this is a must-have. It arrived today, and I think I paid about probably 12 euros for it. The mic was a bit more. I think the mic I paid probably 20 euros for. But again, it's still this is gonna work with my camera and also my phone, which is perfect. What you can, I don't know if you can see the light in my eyes. What I'm actually using just a circle light. I've actually got some natural light coming in from the window, but yeah, as you can see, it's just gone brighter now because I moved my head. But yeah, try to use a lot of natural light, but also use the circle light as well with the LED. And I don't know if you'll be able to see, but with this I can change down the brightness and turn it back up. I can also switch to warm light, and again take it down and take it back up. It'll probably be better to show you this at night time anyway, so that you can actually see the feel that it does. So I'll probably do another video on the backlight that I have a bit later on. So yeah, for now, take it easy. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.